Hi, my name is Lindie Derrick with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson. If you're currently in the market to sell your current home and maybe buy a new home, maybe you're looking to downsize from your current situation or upsize into a bigger home. Maybe you're a first-time home buyer, or maybe you're someone who's looking to build your perfect dream home. Whatever the case may be, Coldwell Banker has tons of open houses this weekend, all day Saturday and all day Sunday. Take a look at the video next so you can see the homes that we'll be featuring this weekend, and we hope to see you there. Okay, I got to just think of my ending. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Whether you, oh, no, there was one blooper already. Sorry. Oh, okay, I forgot how I was going to introduce it. If you're in the market to, oh, let me start with this, sorry. That was a lot of words. Challenge.